In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set primary domain in Shopify on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the web address that appears in your customers' browsers and make sure every other domain points to it seamlessly. First, a quick overview. Your primary domain is the main address for your online store, the one shoppers will see in the address bar. Shopify lets you connect multiple domains, but only one can be the primary. When you set it, all other connected domains, including your default .myshopify.com address, will automatically redirect to that primary choice. This keeps your branding consistent and helps avoid confusion. Start at a computer using a desktop browser and sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. On the Settings page, select Domains. This takes you to a list of every domain currently connected to your store. On the Domains page, you'll typically see at least two entries: your default .myshopify.com domain and any custom domain you've added. You might also see status labels like Connected or SSL Pending. Only domains that are properly connected can be set as the primary, so it's normal to double-check that the status looks healthy before you continue. Next, click the name of the domain you want to be your primary domain. This opens the details for that specific domain. Look for the option labeled Change Domain Type or a similar control such as Manage or Set as primary. Click it, then choose Primary Domain. When prompted, confirm by clicking Change Domain Type or Save. After you confirm, Shopify updates your store so visitors will see that domain in the address bar. All other connected domains will redirect to it automatically. Give it a moment to take effect, then test it. Open your storefront in a new tab or an incognito window, type your old address or your .myshopify.com URL, and you should be redirected to the new primary domain. If you don't see the change right away, wait a minute and refresh. Domain and SSL updates can take a short time to propagate. If the domain you want isn't listed, that means it hasn't been connected to your store yet. Also, if you see warnings like Not Connected or SSL Pending, let those resolve before trying again. Make sure your account has permission to manage domains. That's it. You've set your primary domain, kept your branding consistent, and made sure every other address points to the right place.